Hello? Anybody home?
Hi, Tom.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi, Shannon?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
We're so happy to have you.
Well, thank you. Oh, wow. Beautiful stairway you got.
This is it. This is what I needed to show you.
Yeah, this is what you wrote me about. Stairway,
Yes.
beautiful, you're right. And balusters, I see one missing right there.
Yes. That one actually my daughter leaned on when she was 6 or so and fell right through.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I hope she didn't get hurt. Well, now you've got a space that's too wide for building code. But
Yes.
these are beautiful, rope-turned balusters. Wow. It's got a nice spindle detail down here that transitions off to the square base. And I like the way that it follows the angle of the stairway, which is nice. So long, medium, and short, all the way up. That's beautiful. A lot of handwork and a lot of time went into making that. Well, I have to say that I have never turned a rope baluster before. I love a good challenge. I'd be willing to try. I can't guarantee that I'm going to be able to do it, but like I say, I'd be willing to try.
That's what I was hoping for.
Yeah, but if you've got one I can take as a sample, because I need something to go by, to copy.
I do. Well, there's a loose one upstairs.
There
I
is?
can show you where it is.
All right. I see one missing right here.
Yep, this is the spot I was telling you about.
Okay.
And I think the one there on the end is really
This one?
loose. You might be able to get it out.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Yes, it's definitely loose. All right, so I can take this for my sample, see what I can turn.
Okay.
All right.
See what you can do.
Hopefully I'll be back soon.
Okay. Oh, hey.
Hi, I'm
back.
back. How are you?
I'm good. What you got there?
I got some new balusters for you. This is your baluster right there.
Okay, so this
That's
is
the original one. And this is one of the ones that I
Oh
turned.
my gosh, this looks amazing.
Yeah, so I did my best. And there you go.
Oh, these are so beautiful.
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
A little bit of time, a little bit of effort, but it was a fun project.
Yeah.
So now we've got to install them.
Okay.
All right?
I'm ready.
Okay. All right, Shannon, we're going to put this baluster in first.
Okay.
Now, the problem with this is we want to make sure that the tops, the length of the top, all match all the way around. So I'm going to mark the length that matches the other balusters. In this case, it's 5 1/4. I put a line, straight line. That gives me the height that I need. So if I bring that down to my line, where is it? Right there. And I hold it in a position right there, so you can see how it steps and everything lines up, okay? So now I can take and I can go. I have to make sure my spacing is right, so I'm gonna eyeball the shadow line of the old baluster. I'm gonna mark that just like that. Okay, so that's an idea of what I have. Make a cut and fine tune it after it's done. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow that line with my coping saw. And I want to use a coping saw because it's got a little bit of a curve to it. So I'm going to cut it, following the curve, and then we'll dry fit it and see how we did. Here we go.
Done.
Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to measure for the length for the baluster. So I'm just gonna, I have a shadow line right here from where the baluster goes, and that's 1 3/4 inches for the spacing in between. I'm gonna mark 1 3/4 inches up here. And I'm gonna measure down to the step and to my mark, and I have 30 inches. Now we'll cut the baluster. Okay, now we'll cut it the old-fashioned way, right?
Elbow grease?
Elbow grease, you got it. Now to install it, I want to drill a hole in the bottom to put a dowel so it will sit in the hole that's on the step, and that will hold the bottom into position. Now lots of times when you install balusters, the dowel is sticking out, and if you have room, you can simply tilt them into the opening. But there are situations where it's hard to get it in. So what I do is I would drill a hole, push the dowel up, tilt it, the dowel then falls out into the hole. I have to find it like that. It falls in. Now the bottom is locked in, nice and firm. The top, I'll drill a couple of holes and attach a couple of screws. There you go. That
Wow.
baluster is in. Looks good.
It
It's
looks
not going to go
great.
anywhere. All right, I'll just touch it up a little bit with some stain, and you'll never notice it. Okay, now we can replace the balusters the same way we did downstairs. We'll take the old one, and I'll put it in the hole. Slide it over, and I'll get a screw in the top there. Okay, now all I'm going to do is just touch up those holes with some stain. Make them disappear. There you go, good as new. Well, there you go, the balusters are all in. What do you think?
They look beautiful. Thank you again.
Well, thanks for putting me through that challenge of turning the rope turns. Turned out well.
And now we get to enjoy it for a long time, so thanks so much.
I'm glad I could help. And if you've got a problem with your old house and you need some help, let us know. Until next time, I'm Tom Silva for Ask This Old House.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.